Hey guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with the second part of my life update, and I told you guys I would give you a website overview. So here is my main website. It is nothing spectacular. Eventually, one day I will get a better looking website, but it does what it does and does what it does. Okay, so on the home page, I have this slider that takes you to my Gumroad. Um, it takes you to set up a call with me. Currently, I am not taking any calls, and that's the only two things on that slider. So here's the home button, and here it says show notes. Show notes will take you to my podcast blog posts. Okay, so this is where you can see all of the show notes from each episode and any length. Here is just another way for you to go to the podcast, go to my courses, and book a call. So this link will actually take you to the podcast, and this link will take you to Gumroad. I already have Gumroad open, so I won't do that. But I want to show you guys that right now, if you're watching any videos, any past videos, and you go to try to set up a call, which you will see on my page. Here, this is my favorite part. Meet my team that consists of me, myself, and I. Okay, so it's just me, Q. That is a nickname that I had um, gained throughout being a military spouse and being in the military. Cinquanta is my birth name, and then Q Money Bags are also known as the Fairy Coin Mother, which a lot of people have started to call me, is the residual coin queen. So here I'm all about the books and the YouTube, and this smart chick right here is just the mind behind everything that I come up with and everything that I do for you guys. And that is pretty much it. But you can subscribe by putting your email here to be added to my list. And this takes you to my Instagram, my Amazon store, my Twitter, Facebook, and my Pinterest. So here is the show notes. It basically just shows you the notes from each episode. I started doing this when I redid and kind of rebranded my website. Not my website, my podcast. So it starts with season 1. I do not have show notes for episodes 1 through 71. I might need to hire a VA for something like that. Jeez, because that's a lot, okay? But if I wanted to do that, it would show up here, okay? Also here, okay, I had to connect to iTunes. I don't want to do that. But the podcast would show up on that link. And then for Candidly, it would show up here. So like I told you guys, it says, I'm going to click on it. So it basically lets you guys know that Cinquanta, that's me, and that's my website that will take you to on my Gumroad. I can't remember which one I put in. Will not be taking any calls June through July. Booking will resume on August 1st. And that's just because I need a break. And I have so many things that I have going on this summer that I need to focus on, and taking calls kind of takes me off my game, but I'll be back in August. So save your coins to work with me, okay? And this is, I thought this was my Gumroad. I forgot I gotta go to my Gumroad. All right, girl. So here, also, I have a link in the description box, an affiliate link. I think I get like $1 if you join Gumroad. You can sell anything from physical products, digital products, anything that you ship, you can sell on Gumroad. Anything that's digital, you can sell on Gumroad. You can sell courses, ebooks, tons of stuff. Here's just an overview of who I am and what I do. And here are my courses. I have 26 products right now. I will be adding more soon. But here's a free print on demand checklist. A lot of you guys have been downloading it. So I'm going to need y'all to go back and log into Gumroad and leave a rating. This helps me to secure the bag for people who don't want the free stuff. Okay. So that just helps me out. And if anybody has downloaded the daily planner printable, Tell me if you like it. Are you using it? I use it consistently every day. But again, come back and leave your ratings. You don't have to write a review. It's just, you click the stars. If you loved it, 5 stars. If you didn't, 1, 2, 3 stars. Okay. I don't know who do it. That's just that, okay? Also, I have a few people already signed up in my monthly niche research, which was just something that I decided to do on a whim because people are always trying to figure out how do I get these niches, okay? How do you find these niches? How do you make this money? Also, my children's book course is really good. Got some reviews, ratings on that. The Barnes and Noble Press course is really good. It's for anybody who wants to create hardcover journals or workbooks, or have your actual book in hardback form. This is a really good. Even if you want to, I don't know if you want a hardback coloring book, but this can work for that. So you can get both of those courses at the same time. The Spiral Journal course. I know I did the video on my YouTube channel, but this one goes more in depth and gives you information on different websites to use. And some famous people have used those websites as well. I have one niche list left for the faith-based Christianity. The write the check is a manifestation check. You just write yourself a blank check and manifest those coins. Here is my ebook template course. Please do not get confused. This is for an actual ebook for an author. I think I may need to make that clear because this is not like a digital ebook. It's an actual real ebook that you would upload to KDP, and it has a free template. What else we got here? So how to start a t-shirt business. This teaches you how to start a t-shirt business going through Printful and Big Cartel. I use Big Cartel because it's free. Well, not really. I mean, it is free, but it's cheaper than Shopify and a lot of other sites like Squarespace. Here is the starter pack templates. I took this away for a while because a lot of people are selling templates now, but I have at least 10 different styles of templates, and they are for all 16 KDP trim sizes. So from the smallest, under 6, I don't know if it's under, but 6 by 9, all the way up to 8.5 by 11. So you can get an 8 by 10, you can get a 6.5 by this, you can get an 8.5 by that. And my number one course is my low content, no content journal course. This is how you get your life together and get ready to start publishing on KDP. This is the course for you. You see, it's a 2-hour training. Lots of information in description boxes of this course. A lot of people ask a lot of questions that I was able to answer. Here is a new service that I am providing right now. It's a print on demand audit. I will audit your print on demand business, and I'll give you back video feedback and advice for your audit. So this is really good. A lot of people say, why is my product not selling? Why am I not making any money on my business? Well, book your print on demand audit, and I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to say, look, first of all, you need to redo this cover. It's not appealing to the eye. Hey, that shirt font does not match with what is going. Like I'm the real deal. I'm gonna tell you. So I'm not going to beat around the bush about what is wrong with your print on demand business. And you may not be able to handle that, but I'm going to tell you because that's the only way that you're going to be better. I wish somebody told me my stuff was horrible when I first started because it would have just helped me to not make so many mistakes along the way. So also I have a mystery niche list here. I have 7 left. There were 50. And then here I teach you guys how to create mock-ups with Place It in Printful. Here's just a wallpaper. Also, I have the how to publish an audiobook. So if you've written a book already, you can learn how to publish your audiobook. I teach you everything from scouting a narrator, how to upload and make sure your audio is good, pricing, how to pay and negotiate. All of that is in this training. Here is just 100 niche ideas for 2020. 2020. Also, here's the coloring book niche research. Only have 2 left. And then I have the coloring book course. I did update my Gumroad as well for you guys. I have 9 left of the medical niche research, and the Canva custom training basically teach you how to set up your Canva store, how to set up your brand, how to add fonts, and then how to do some, a few tips and tricks and resize different things in Canva. Administration and principal list. This is still pretty good for, even the time right now that we're going through. You can replace a few keywords and still make money in this niche because of the coronavirus. Here's another wallpaper. And we have 8 left of the parenting, fertility, and motherhood niche research, and my how to self-publish a book under $100. You get a video and you get the actual book, my how to self-publish for under $100 book with this purchase. So that is an overview of my websites. Again, my Gumroad is gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And my regular website is just www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. So I hope this helped you guys to understand what I do, who I am, and how you can purchase anything from me, how you can navigate my website, and kind of an overview of what the course is for. Again, like I said, I'm going through and rebranding my Gumroad, so I'm making sure the description gives you a little bit more information about who it's for, what it's about, and how it can help you in your business, because I want to make sure when you're purchasing something, you understand exactly what it will do for you and your business and how it will basically put your life in a better perspective. I may be doing a webinar soon, but I will let you guys know if I decide to do it. I'll come on and get that set up right for you, okay? So until next time, holla at your girl. Peace. Oh, I was supposed to say until next time. Love you more than you love this video. Peace.